Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, filling, fiber-rich and nutrient-dense pineapple smoothie for weight loss. This filling pineapple smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make a pineapple smoothie, into a bowl I'm adding in 10 cashew nuts. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing it to soak for about 10 minutes. I'm going to keep this aside. Into another bowl, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. They're rich in antioxidants. They provide fiber, iron and calcium. So that is 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Into this, I'm adding in some water, about 1/4 cup. And give it a stir, and I'm allowing the chia seeds to soak. Because of the high fiber, they help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. And while the chia seeds and cashew nuts are soaking, let's chop the pineapple. I'm using fresh pineapple in this recipe. I'll be using 2 cups of chopped pineapple. Pineapple are chopped, and now let's start making the smoothie. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked cashew nuts. Add in 1/4 cup water, and I'm going to blend this and make cashew milk. The cashew milk is ready. Instead of cashew milk, you can use any plant-based milk of your choice. Now, the reason why you need a good source of healthy fat like cashew nuts is to help the fat-soluble vitamins and minerals faster into your body. So try not to skip using a good source of healthy fat. Into this, I'm grating in a small piece of ginger, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in the assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. So try not to skip black pepper when you're using turmeric. For sweetness, I'm using 1 soft medjool dates. You can increase or decrease dates to suit your taste. Note that I'm using soft medjool dates. Add in the chopped pineapple pieces. Add in the rest of the water. I have measured 1 cup water and used 1/4 cup to blend the cashew nuts. I used a total of 1 cup of water. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. The chia seeds are nicely soaked and the smoothie is blended. Into a serving glass, pour in half of the soaked chia seeds. With this recipe, you can make 2 servings of pineapple smoothie. Pour the blended pineapple smoothie over the chia seeds. Top it with about a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds. For an added crunch and flavor, sprinkle in a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. And my healthy and nutrient-dense pineapple smoothie for weight loss is ready to serve. The raw cacao nibs will give a subtle crunch and flavor to the smoothie. And the chia seeds will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. So guys, do try this healthy pineapple smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.